3 things why TheraPet Calming Diffuser is a must-have for every dog parent. Number 1, stops indoor peeing at the root cause. TheraPet's calming pheromones target the real reason behind indoor accidents, your dog's stress and anxiety. By replacing the scent of their pee with a calming aroma, it eliminates their urge to mark their territory indoors. Number 2, I'm no longer stuck scrubbing floors, washing carpets, or spraying air fresheners every day. I'm finally free from the exhausting cycle of cleaning up pee and feeling like my dog's personal janitor. Number 3, leaky pee pads and soaked floors are a thing of the past. No more embarrassing odors. My home smells fresh, looks clean, and feels welcoming again. If you're serious about ending the endless cycle of indoor peeing and daily cleaning, now's the time. TheraPet is 50% off today. Click below to grab yours before they're gone.